Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show some work with the DTF for the Epson series model printers. That is one, the new for market. This is for A4 size, and also this one. Another series model, A4 size. Okay, because we know especially for the white ink to be print with the DTF print. So the latest video we will work on how to do a DIY with the printer, the Epson model. Okay. So with the Modify for the DTF, we should have a class system. This is a brand new made by Full Color company. So we'll try to open what inside the box. Okay. They have a sheet instruction papers and have a sticker, a template here. After we open the soft packing here, some parts and tools in bag. Okay, here have a power connector. Okay, and the plastic, the ink tube connector, and also this set of ink system, especially for our DTF. Okay, so all of this should be work with the Epson series models. Okay, let's see what's inside of the ink system. So here have a 6 the ink bottle. Especially for white, it includes the mixer and also the circulatory system inside. The normally colors cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and also here have another one. It's a label WT. This one should be for receiving the waste ink. So it means here have a waste ink bottles. Also, when it's running the full, it should be give the beeping. That means we need to be open and clean the waste ink. Okay, this the bottle, and also here have a transparent the windows that we can see the ink level. After we do some print, that we can see if the window showing the ink running the lower, then we need to refill the inks in halves. Okay, turn around, that we can see here have the power connector, and here have a button. Okay, this one control for the mixer, and this one control for the white ink circulatory systems. So we can also be adjust the speed. Okay, so these are mostly the function with the ink systems. We also can see the colors and the design are most complete with that. With the original Epson, the models can be set up together. That we can see the colors, the design. Okay, so later the latest step we will try how to connect the ink system with the original A3 size L18050 models. Okay, before we're ready to modify with the printer, we should ready some the tools like a screwdriver. Okay, small piece, and also this cutter, and also the gloves, and also something already inside with this packing. Okay,